Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a custom size matrix in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to make custom size matrix in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Equation drop down menu and insert New Equation. Then go to the New Equation box and click, then go to the Design menu. Then click the Matrix drop down menu. Then choose any matrix. Now I select the 2x2 empty matrix. Then select the matrix box and go back the Home menu. Then increase the size using the font size increasing tools. Now we can see we make a custom size matrix in this document very easily. Now you can add text on the box. Click the box, then add a text. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.